Today I'm going to be interpreting the tarot card Two of Cups. I'm using the Rider-Waite Tarot deck on the right and the Osogen Tarot deck on the left. This card is a number 2. Number 2 speaks of balance and harmony. It is a water element card and relates to Venus in Cancer. When the element of this card finds you in a reading, you can expect balancing emotional nature, friendship or love affairs, sharing from your heart, healing and affection with mutual respect. There's a readiness for quality relationships when this card finds you. There could be reconciliation and cooperation in a partnership, whether it's personal or professional. When the element of the Two of Cups finds you reverse in a reading, you can expect loss of emotional balance. Water symbolizes the growth of things, so there can be a stagnation in growth of relationships emotionally. There's a distrust and false love could be present as well. Any alliance may cause some type of obstacles at this point in your life. Misunderstandings in relationships can be very present as well, and not following your true heart. So when the element of the Two of Cups finds you in a reading, ask yourself, what is needed for balance and harmony in your partnerships? Thank you.